welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a wig that was sent to me. So this wig was sent to me by ATOZ Wigs. This is how it came. It was inside of a Amazon shipping envelope, but of course they have my address on it, so I just, But anyway, so when you take it out, it has a net on it, and you'll just remove the net, and inside it comes with this, which says ATOZ Wigs, just beautiful life. Basically like a little thank you message in the inside, and then it has other wigs that they have. It also comes with this net, which is a weaving cap mesh net. So basically it helps your hair breathe. So off rip, this hair feels like it is really thick, and it is a very good density. Ooh, very good density. I think the density was like 150. And so this is a 12-inch. This is the party. Now, I have tried this wig on. This is how it looks. This is the construction underneath. This is like a little, I don't know what to call it, but it's like net right here, and then it's the closure. So my head is big, so what I'm going to do is just cut that open and add an elastic band. I'm actually going to do that now so I can show y'all the rest of the closure, because it actually gives you a lot of closure, parting space, really big parting space. And so what I just did was just cut the little mesh that was right there so it'll stretch more for my head, because I have locks. So this is how that looks. Now in the inside it has combs. I'll flip it inside out so you can see it. And let's see. So it has 4 combs, which is good. It has 2 on the side. 1, 2, 3. 1 in the middle. 4. 1 in the back. And it comes with the adjustable straps too. So these are adjustable straps. You can just hook them however you want. The cap is really breathable. Like, it has tiny holes in it, so you can see my hand through it. It has tiny holes in it so that your scalp can still breathe. And so yeah, and it has a really nice wave to it. So what I'm gonna do is add an elastic band to it, and then I'll be back to show you guys. So this is how it looks as a side part. I'm really not feeling it as a side part. The wave is super cute though. Like, I like the wave. So I'm gonna go get my spray bottle, and then I'm gonna change it to a middle part, and we're gonna see how that works out. Okay y'all, so instead of doing a middle part, I decided to just change it to the other side, because I like how this side hangs kind of like one length. So I kind of molded it. I molded it with water and Got to Be spray, and yeah, as you can see, it's still a little wet right here, but the wave is definitely still there. And so this side I just kind of put behind my ear, because I'm like, okay, that's a cute little look going on. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this part. You see where you see the lace? I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So I have my foundation, and I'm gonna use my angle brush just like this, and I'm just gonna just like that, so that the lace is the color of my foundation, my scalp, my forehead, all of that good stuff. Now I'm gonna actually do the part. Now with the part, I'm gonna use my concealer. I'm gonna dab some of that on my hand. Oh y'all, and they give you a lot of parting space, so that is really good. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit more about this wig. So the parting space is a 4x4 lace closure. This is it does say that it has a pre-plucked hairline, which it could be pre-plucked, or you can pluck it a little bit more. It's up to you. But I'm really not gonna wear it any other way than this way, because I'm really feeling the behind the ear. Really feeling the behind the ear and the long side. Like, that's really pretty. This wave is like super cute. So this hair is Brazilian virgin human hair. Like I said, the density is 150. It's 12 inch. The color that it comes in is like a natural color. So I would say it's like a 1B. Like it's not like the brown color that most virgin hairs come in. It's more like a 1B, and I like it in a 1B because I mean, I'm not gonna have to dye it. I don't have to do anything to it, so I think that's pretty cool. So this is a glueless wig, so if you don't want to glue it down, you definitely do not have to. As you can see, I don't use my combs like in wigs ever. I just like the elastic band better, so you can do whatever you want. You can use combs. If you do use combs, they have plenty of combs for you to use so that your wig will be secure. However, I just like the elastic band method better. So yeah, that's all for this video. I may throw like some highlights in or some color, but I'm gonna give you guys a 360 like a 360 view. Now if you wet this hair, it is gonna wave back up. As you can see, the wave is really nice. So yeah. So yeah, y'all, this is all for this video. I really like this wig. I love the curl pattern. It's a fun summer bob. I will be back on here doing more things with this wig, but for now, I hope you guys like it. I will list the link to this wig below, and feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you later.